The Attleboro Public Library will soon be hosting an important event aimed at helping the residents of Attleboro. The Community Resources Fair will allow residents to learn about the many nonprofit organizations in the area. Some organizations included are American Credit Counseling, the Arc of Bristol County, the Attleboro Youth Commission, the YMCA, Sturdy Memorial Hospital, and many more. Representatives from each organization will be on hand to answer questions and to give out information. Translators will also be available at the event to assist visitors. We spoke with Attleboro City Councilor Jeremy Denley about how the fair will help provide valuable resources to Attleboro residents.
My name is Jeremy Denley, and I'm the Ward 5 City Councilor here in Attleboro, Massachusetts. And I want to take some time to talk to you about an event the library is putting on called the Community Resources Fair. The fair will take place on Thursday, March 20th from 5 to 7 p.m. here in the Attleboro Public Library. That's located at 74 North Main Street. It's really a great event. We bring in everyone from health agencies to talk about nutrition, education, aging, anything that someone in the community might need to know about. And it's a really great event because it all happens in the evening and all of these organizations are in one place, so you won't have to worry about missing work and running from agency to agency. An example of some of the organizations we'll have are the Arc of Bristol County, New Hope, United Way, and a number of different organizations like that. It's a huge benefit. I would invite everyone to please come down. As a city councilor, when I first heard of this project, I thought it was a great idea. It provides an opportunity for our residents and our citizens to come to one location at one time and access many different services. In addition to that, the benefit of having translators is that regardless of whether you're fluent in English or you have little trouble, you'll be able to come to the Community Resources Fair and fully understand everything from every table. You can talk to the Arc of Bristol County, you can talk to New Hope, you can talk to whoever you want, and you should have an interpreter there who can help you understand it. And that's really key, especially when we're trying to reach out to different populations who might not know about these resources. We want to make it as welcoming and as easy as possible.
After talking to Joan Ritchie, the director of the Literacy Center, and her teachers, tutors, and students, we found that there are a lot of services offered in Attleboro, but folks don't know who to talk to, they don't know where to go. It's hard to, you have such limited time in your day to go to all these different places, to make all those phone calls, that bringing everyone together in one spot that's easy to get to with translators available would help out quite a bit. We've been planning this event since last fall when we were writing the Community Languages Grant. It is part of the LSTA's funding to reach out to members of our community who are not native English speakers. So what we're going to be doing on the March 20th is that we're having the Community Resources Fair, which means that lots of the organizations that work really hard to make Attleboro the wonderful community that it is are going to all be in one place advertising their services to the entire community. We have worked with the Literacy Center, with the City Council, with United Way. We're working with Representative Joe Kennedy's office to make sure that our community is well aware of all that Attleboro has to offer. So what is going to happen is there will be tables spread throughout the library with staff members and information on what the various organizations do. It really is hard to know who does what in the city, and this is a great way for people to talk with somebody and to bring home the literature to better understand what they have to offer. A benefit for the library is that our staff will now have the opportunity to speak with these people and to get this information so that we can sort of help to translate to patrons who come by our building at any time and say, this is the person you want to talk to. We're so happy to be working with all these organizations. I am learning. I've been working at this library for 12 years. It is amazing how much I learn every day, things I didn't know, work that's going on to help people that I wasn't aware of. So even if you have been a lifelong resident of Attleboro, if you come to this event, I'm can promise you that you will learn something, you will make a connection that you didn't have before.